In the distribution world, you've got material that comes, and then you've got material that goes, and it's the same thing over and over. Working with IKO has been very easy to know that we are step-by-step, hand-in-hand business partners. So anytime we are dealing with issues, number one, we know that IKO is going to stand behind its product. Two, we know that we don't have to worry about it. My name is Jay Babbitt, and I work at the MacArthur Company in Pasco, Washington. We had an opportunity brought to us to bring in the Dynasty line. The Dynasty line matches very well quality-wise, price-wise, but gave us an opportunity to reach out to some customers that we didn't already have under our belt and offer them a product that they weren't using.
Why we buy from MacArthur, it's kind of preference really, but knowing the history of MacArthur, knowing how it's employee owned, I knew how well they took care of the customers. The big thing about the Dynasty is really the armor zone. And it's just the weight of the shingle, the granules, the color options. I can go to a customer's house and give him 16 color options and he can pick anything. It's an amazing product.
We've got a handful of folks that target different tiers of homeowners, and new construction being one of those. And then we've got a handful of contractors that are always chasing a little bit higher. Those contractors match up with the Dynasty line perfectly. It has a tangible feel, both in the material that you're getting and the long-term viability of it, that the contractors can hold on to, and it becomes an easy sell for the homeowners. We are the middle child in a three-step process. And anytime we're working with our customers, we need to know that our suppliers have our interests at heart. I just have to make sure that we've got the right product going to the right people at the right time.